Squirrel loved his hammock more than anything else in the world. Tied between two sturdy oak trees, it swayed gently in the breeze. This was where he spent most of his days, dozing off or munching on acorns. On this particular morning, the forest was bustling with activity as all the animals prepared for the upcoming winter. Snail, known for his tiny but mighty spirit, inched past Squirrel with a determined look. Snail carried a leaf on his back like a hat and was dragging an acorn 3 times his size with incredible effort. "Good morning, Squirrel," Snail greeted cheerfully. Squirrel opened one eye lazily. "What's so good about it?" "I'm trying to sleep here." "Aren't you gathering acorns for winter?" "You know it's coming soon," Snail said. "Why bother?" Squirrel yawned, stretching dramatically. "Winter's ages away. I'll just gather some later, maybe." Snail shook his tiny head and continued his slow journey. Snail worked tirelessly. Every day, he would venture out early, collect leaves, twigs, and acorns, and slowly bring them back to his cozy little burrow. The other animals admired Snail's determination, even though his progress was slow. One day, as Snail struggled to push an especially large acorn uphill, Squirrel rolled by on the ground, laughing hysterically. "Snail, why are you working so hard?" Squirrel teased. "You'll never make it to winter at this pace." Snail paused to catch his breath. "I might be slow, but I'll be ready." "What about you, Squirrel?" Squirrel leaned back against a tree, juggling an acorn. "Why worry? The forest is full of food. I'll just grab some when I need it." The hard-working Snail shook his head again and resumed his task, undeterred by Squirrel's taunts. Winter arrived earlier than expected. The once green forest was now blanketed in white snow, and food was nowhere to be found. Squirrel woke up shivering in his hammock, only to realize that his acorn stash was completely buried under the snow. "Oh no!" Squirrel cried. "Where will I get food now?" He jumped down and started digging through the snow, but it was no use. The ground was frozen solid, and the acorns he'd left lying around were long gone. Desperate, Squirrel looked around the forest and spotted Snail's burrow. Gathering his courage, Squirrel knocked on Snail's door. Snail opened it, looking surprised but welcoming. "Squirrel, what brings you here?" I need help," Squirrel admitted, looking down. "I didn't prepare for winter, and now I'm starving." Snail thought for a moment and then smiled. "Come in. I'll share what I have, but on one condition: you have to promise to prepare better next time." "Deal," Squirrel said eagerly. Snail shared his neatly stored acorns and leaves with Squirrel, who couldn't help but feel grateful and a little ashamed of his laziness. When spring finally arrived, Squirrel was a changed animal. He immediately started gathering acorns and building a proper stash, much to the surprise of his forest friends. Snail watched with pride as Squirrel worked hard every day. "You've come a long way, Squirrel," Snail said. "Thanks, Snail," Squirrel replied, smiling. "I learned my lesson: being prepared is better than being sorry." Moral of the story: preparation and hard work always pay off, no matter how small or slow your efforts may seem.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.